So it's been sitting. I made it about 2 hours ago, let it rest, and now it's all stretchy, got nice elasticity, and nice and soft. And you want it soft because when you go to do now we put in a little bit more flour. You literally just break off a piece, and we're gonna roll it. Now at home, I use the KitchenAid with the attachment on the front. So you have to sit there and crank. You can actually just let the machine roll it, feed it, and pull it out. It's real easy. If you have a KitchenAid, you should get the pasta attachment. It's worth it. It comes out so good. So you want to squeeze it down, kind of thin. This will press it thinner. Now these have seven settings. You want to start at 7. Put a little crank, and it's mounted to the table, so it doesn't move. Don't try to do it freehand. The thing will bend all over on you. So you need a little bit thinner. I used to work at a place where we did this every day. All our pasta was made fresh every day. We didn't do a lot of people, but we make fresh pasta every day.
Is this the same method you use if you were making like fettuccine?
Yeah.
Lasagna? Same pasta?
Like if you're doing lasagna, you're just gonna roll it out straight up. If you're doing fettuccine, in a minute we'll run it after we get it down to the thickness. We have fettuccine here and spaghetti here. Make sure your edge is straight.
I can hear that in all your eyes.
So, I got fettuccine pasta.
Nice.
Now we'll go spaghetti. Or angel hair, because it's pretty small cut. Feed it in. And again, you can use the rest of the machine to move it over.
When you do the other types like bow ties,
Bow tie would be once you have it rolled out before doing this stage, you cut it into the size you want, and then you literally just twist it. And you just get that little bow tie so it looks like a bow tie. Yeah, you can cook it in the sauce. You like a full
Ice
chip
bath?
It's better.
water overflowing.
So into the ice bath, shocks it. This is how we cook our pasta, like for Raymond Station here. He cooks all the pasta to al dente and then shocks it so that you can hold it cold, and then when you come up and get your order, it's cold. He adds it into the dish. That way it's not continuing to cook. Because we can pull it out of here and put it in your bowl, and it'll keep cooking.